Hi, I'm Mary London and I had a breast augmentation here at Renaissance. I wanted a breast augmentation because I've had 6 kids and pregnancy took a toll on my body. The way I looked at myself, like I didn't think I was pretty or anything. And it sounds like vain, but it's like when you have kids, it does a toll on your body. I called around and a lot of the doctors want to do consultation on phone. And I didn't like that because having surgery, I wanted to come in person and meet the doctor. I knew when I met Dr. Craig that I wanted him to do my surgery, just how knowledgeable he was, and he was honest with me and telling him what I wanted. It's kind of nice to have a doctor to know what to do and make you look good without me knowing what I wanted. I love them. Honestly, the staff here is amazing. They are just truly just so nice. Any questions I had, they answered it for me. I felt very comforted. It's definitely given me confidence. It's made me feel sexy. I go to the gym and I can wear a sports bra, which is super exciting, or I can wear a swimsuit that's not a push-up. I'm happier. My husband has noticed a difference in me. My children have noticed a difference in me. It's life-changing. I feel like it's the best thing I've done for myself. I'm a totally different person.